Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install a downloaded custom map or world save in Minecraft. Custom maps let you explore worlds created by other players, from adventure maps to survival worlds. First, download a custom map from a trusted website like CurseForge, Modrith, or Planet Minecraft. As an example, I'm going to download a custom map from Planet Minecraft. If the map is downloaded as a zip file, right-click it and choose Extract All. Once it's extracted, you'll see a folder containing the world files. Next, press Windows R on your keyboard. Then type %updata% and click Enter. Then, click Minecraft. This will open your Minecraft folder. Now open the Saves folder. Drag and drop the extracted world folder into the Saves folder. Make sure you're copying the actual world folder that contains files like level.dat and not the outer folder created by the zip file. Once you're done, launch Minecraft and click Single Player. Your custom map should now appear in the world list. Simply select it and click Play Selected World. And that's it. Thanks for watching.